Okay, it is time for my favorite unboxings where I literally say, oh my god, a million times, so please bear with me. But look how cute this Stationery Pal packaging is. They're always so cute, but I don't know, this little box is just like the cutest one I've got so far. I feel like, isn't it cute? Thought I would unbox it with you guys. I literally just got it in the mail. I was just so excited. I wanted to see all of the goodies, so I'm like straight to the camera, straight to unbox it. Okay, so let's open it together. Oh my gosh. And look at the top of this box. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to squeeze it into the camera here, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. You're probably annoyed of me already. So Stationery Pal is having a spring sale for the month of March, as well as an anniversary sale in April. So if you guys are looking for stationery goodies, go check them out because they're having huge discounts on already really affordable prices, which is what I absolutely love. And I will link like a playlist of my other Stationery Pal unboxings. I just love how much variety of stuff they have on their website, like from Tombows and gel pens to fountain pens to notebooks, stickers. Like there's just everything. So I love it. And you guys can probably tell from if you see my other hauls, how excited I get about them. But oh my god. I'm gonna try not to say oh my gosh a million times, but they're just so freaking cute. Okay. So they always give you like these cute little freebie things. Like these you can put on little pens. Like look how cute is that? They're just so cute. And like I have 2 young girls, if you guys don't know, and they like just love this kind of stuff right now. So when I give them these little bears and whatnot, like they die. Like they just are obsessed. I did not order a rubber ducky. This one's a bit random, but love it. There's no other way to describe it except the fact that they're so freaking cute. Like everything is just so cute. If you guys love like kawaii stuff, then you guys will love this. Okay, so let's get into the stuff that I ordered. I have been obsessed with these stickers. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I have been using like these little stickers all over my daily pages because I love the fact that they're not like expensive, right? Like especially relative to other stickers. I just love that they're relatively inexpensive. And for somebody who's like sometimes in this notebook, sometimes in that notebook, and like sometimes I don't keep all of my ring inserts at the end of the year, I will feel bad to use stickers if they were like $3 or $4 for like 10 stickers because I don't want to waste them, right? But these ones are super, at least I think they're super cute, and they're really inexpensive for like per sticker, so then I don't feel bad about putting them and actually using them in my freaking daily spreads and stuff. Oh, I love this. And I should say that I will link everything down below, everything that I got in this haul, as well as my code for additional discounts. But look how cute these little stickers are. Oh my gosh. So I have been using these little characters. I can't remember the name of them, but I've been using like these little characters all over my spreads. And so this time I got, I think, like almost all of the sticker books. So cute, right? Oh, I'm so excited about this. So excited. So this one has 335 plus 100 stickers. This one has 450 stickers. This one has 335 stickers. Let's actually just open them and see how different the stickers are so I can give you kind of a comparison in case you guys were wanting to pick a book but maybe don't want all 3 of them. So they look kind of similar actually. Like I can't tell easily off flipping it through. Well, this one you see has some of these kind of text boxes. And this is kind of weird. I don't know if I would use that. I like more of like the emoji-like stickers. These ones has some numbers. This one has this thing at the back. Okay, so that's that one. Then this one has more emoji type stickers. So these ones don't have those weird pages. So I'd probably pick this one over this one between those two. And let me just quickly look at this. Okay, so this one has none of that weird stuff either. So I'd probably get these two over that one if you guys are deciding. Just quickly off the cuff. And so you see, I am really obsessed with this thing because I just got them in all different sticker types. Like these are just like the single ones. These ones are clear. So they're kind of like just these little single stickers. What are they called? Not die cuts, but like they're stickers. You know what I mean? So I got those because I wanted some smaller ones on translucent paper. So got those. Oh, these little bears. I don't remember ordering these, but maybe I did. I was just looking for like a couple cute stickers. Like I'm still not, I still don't like fully decorate all of my pages, but I wanted a couple stickers here and there. That's kind of cute. I'm definitely much more of a functional planner, as you guys know. Okay, this is really exciting. So these are these thin dated stickers that you can add to daily pages or whatever, or undated inserts that you have, or even notebooks. And so it has 365 daily stickers and says January 1, February, whatever, right? And it doesn't have obviously like the day of the week, because depending on what year you use it, it can change, but it shows it at the bottom so you could easily circle it or whatever, right? And so if you want to date your pages, these are fantastic, and you get a whole year in this little packet. So love those, especially now, like notebooks are so popular. I feel like these would be amazing for all the types of notebooks that we're using that you might want to use as like a dated page. Those are great. This is really pretty. This is just like a little bookmark. I thought I could use either in a book or in my planner. It has this little clip as the top, and then just this little dangly charm thing. And there's like a whole bunch of different types of charms, but I just like that one. Okay, the other thing is Suatelier Stickers. Again, I love Suatelier stickers as well. They are really small, so they look really cute as just like a little bit of deco on each of your planner pages. So you can see that I bought a whole bunch. Oh, and those little, the same stickers, I got another pack. I really love those. Okay, so these are all the Suatelier ones that I got. This one is the travel one. As I start traveling, I wanted some travel ones. This one is called a daily something, and there's like coffee and I don't know, random things, I guess. Strawberries, dessert, clock, whatever. This one is reminisce. This one's kind of weird. I probably wouldn't get that one. This one is the dailies. Oh, I love this one. It has like little bookmarks and stuff, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are cute. And I also got one that's the happy faces. Love those. Oh, and then here's another one is midsummer. Thought this would be good for like vacation. And then these are a lot more functional. I love these. So Suatelier also makes these really functional stickers. If you guys have seen one of my last, like I think my Hobonichi setup, you saw that I got the little tabs that had like the monthlies, and they're teeny little really cute tabs, black and white. And now I got these ones that have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on them, and it comes in 3 sheets. So they have really functional stickers as well that are like more neutral and whatnot. So I really love those. How cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here I ordered some more, ordered some of these Mildliners, and they're the pastel colors. So a light blue, this green one is really pretty. Here's a pink one. It's the zebra. I think these are the neutral colors. Anyways, that's what they look like. Love, love, love zebra Mildliners. And what else? Oh my gosh, this one. Okay. Wow, I forgot all the stuff that I ordered. So I've been playing around with fountain pens, and I actually have been really starting to like the Platinum Preppy fountain pen. Originally, I thought I didn't really like it because I thought the nib was too big. Even though it's a fine nib, it's like a lot thicker than like a Pilot, for example, like a lot thicker. But I don't know, now that I've been using my Hobonichi Weeks and like the Tomoe River paper more, I'm actually really liking that fountain pen. And so they had these Harry Potter sets. And so I went ahead and got this one because this has the Platinum Preppy fountain pen as well, but just Harry Potter themed. So let me open that. And I got the Gryffindor one. I think they have Slytherin, Hufflepuff, Raven, like one for every house, I'm pretty sure. So it comes like that. Wouldn't that be cute in like a journal if you rip this front part off? I definitely want to use that. And then open it up. Wow. Nostalgia to the Harry Potter days. Like, I was obsessed with Harry Potter. Gryffindor card. It's like a postcard. And it comes with the Platinum Preppy fountain pen, but in whatever, you know, design that you got it in. Just looks like that. It looks so sleek. Love it. And it comes with so many cartridges. 5 cartridges. So really like that. Love that. Love, love, love. So happy with that. So cute. For all of my Harry Potter lovers, you guys definitely need that one. Okay, what else did I go? So we're all obsessed with notebooks this year, right? And so, of course, I went ahead and I got a couple notebooks. They have Kinbor notebooks on their website. We all know how much I love Kinbor. And they have these Kinbor notebooks. I can't remember what this like character is called. Like what the cartoon is called. But I thought they were pretty cute. So let me open them up with you. Oh, it's kind of tight. So it's interesting. The size of this notebook is not quite pocket and not, it's definitely not like Hobonichi Week size. It's a bit smaller. And maybe it's an A6. It says A7 plus. What does that mean? Oh, cute. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's do a quick flip through. It has these little grid pages on the front. These look like about 4mm grid. It's not Tomoe River paper, but it is a thick white paper. It has like a little spot for a page number on the corner, which I thought is pretty cute. So it has, okay, so it has a bunch of grid, and then it has blank pages at the back. Oh, that's kind of cool. So it's like a split mix. The cover is basically like the Hobonichi Weeks kind of covers. Like, you know, those thin papery covers. Kind of feels like that. That's really cute. And then I also got one in black. How cute is that? It's just like such a fun size. Anyways, if you guys want more notebooks, these are really inexpensive and super cute. Oh, this is kind of random that it's just sitting like this, but this is a converter for, I don't know how to use it. Isn't this supposed to push down? Oh, here we go. This is an ink converter for the Platinum Preppy pen. If you have your own ink and want to fill it up, you can get one of those. What else did I get? Oh, oh my God, I forgot. I got earrings. Wow. Okay, these are so much better quality than I was expecting. Oh my gosh. How cute. I mean, we'll see how the quality is in terms of like when I wear them, how quickly they rust and stuff. But how cute is that? Wow, I love this packaging. It's really cool. It's just styrofoam, or not styrofoam, but like almost feels like saran wrap there, but like it looks pretty. Wow, so I'm really excited about those two because these are like quite cute. Don't you think those are cute? I don't know. I thought those were cute. I was really surprised. This is what I mean. Like, Stationery Pal has so many things that you wouldn't expect. So love those. And I think they have other jewelry there too. Okay. Oh, wow. So I got a lot of Platinum Preppy pens. I forgot that I got this one. So here's another one, but this is the Platinum Preppy in the white color. So now I have it in this white one. I have it in the Gryffindor Harry Potter themed. And I also have the one that I got last time, which is this like, it's like a cream color. But I think I wanted to get this one because it's white and it's quite aesthetic. That's what it looks like. So I'm actually really glad that I started liking these because before I ordered them, I'm not sure I was like using my fountain pens as much, but recently I have been using it a lot coincidentally, and I actually ordered 2 more. So that's exciting. Okay, so I also got the Sarasa Nano in the 0.38 tip. I don't remember why I got this, but that's what it looks like, and it's red. And then I also got this one. Oh, it's a Uniball 1. And I have a bunch of these in the vintage colors, again in the 0.38 tip. And I really like these pens. They're very smooth. I think I got this one because I really like the black, how it looks. And I don't have a black one of these. I have like the vintage set or whatever. And it comes in like dark brown, dark green, this dark red color. So I really like those. I really like a clip on a pen. So those two pens. Then I got, this rosy post-it. Okay, so what this is basically just random cards. And I thought I could use this as deco. So let's open it up. Okay, so here we go. So I just opened it up. It's kind of like just a notebook of random cardstock paper with like different designs. Can't tell if these are stickers or if they're just paper. But I just thought this would be cute to add as background for journaling and whatnot. To be honest, looking at these like pictures, I probably wouldn't get this. Like this one I would probably use, but some of these I wouldn't use. So I don't know. I wouldn't get this if I were you. Unless you really like it, of course. But yeah, so this is kind of just for paper for journaling. That one I don't love as much, I gotta admit. Oh, and another notebook. This was with the whole Gryffindor set. I don't know why I got this, to be honest. I think it's just because I was like loving all the Harry Potter and that set, so I got excited. But this is kind of like a meh. The paper feels kind of nice. Maybe I'll try it and show you guys at some point. It comes with basically a spread like this. It has these little notches so you can like separate the page. There's also a line here that has some notches and then the lines at the bottom. You could use this for dailies. It is quite versatile if you want to do different designs with those notches, but just a regular notebook. Okay, and then the last thing, kind of round. I ordered this because I wanted to get something for my daughter who's like really into just little stuffies right now. Oh, another sticker thing. This is kind of like the little bear one from earlier, but purple. I would like this more if it wasn't so shiny. I didn't realize they were like so glittery and shiny like that. I would like it better if it wasn't shiny. Okay, and then the last thing is this little bear on a keychain. Oh shoot, I think I already pulled the top part out. Oh no, it was supposed to be a keychain. But now it's just going to be a little bear. This was supposed to be connected like this, but I think I ripped the top part out. I could sew it back on though. But how cute is that? Isn't it so cute? Okay, so those were all the things that I ordered. I am so excited. If you couldn't tell, everything is just so cute, affordable. I love it. Really excited to start using these. Go check them out for sure if you need stationery, if you need jewelry. Apparently they just have everything. So yeah, everything linked below if there was anything that you liked. If you order from Stationery Pal before, please let us know what goodies you got and what are your faves from the site, because I would love to know so I can get it in the next round of ordering. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.